chance meeting and discussion one evening was the germination of the idea to go in for in-house cooking of the food within the factory premises rather than outsourcing it as was being done earlier, as just he mentioned to what I said. We also suggested to him to get FSSAI Eat-Right campus certification and hygiene ratings for his existing canteen facility, and what he explained which he already got, and then very proud to say that NQ was the first pharma company to obtain this certification in the entire country. So having been convinced of the idea, and as I came to know that his parents already had this in their minds to serve good food to the employees and the other people, implementing it in his usual thorough and scientific approach, and it was a matter of pride that NQ became the, as I already said, the first pharma company to obtain this certification. I am also happy to share that following NQ, the other companies also they joined, and then many other pharma companies have obtained this certification. The next step was the setting up of this industrial in-house kitchen. The project, as already explained by Mr. Prashant, that Vikrant, that how they went ahead in obtaining the land and then the financials and then all the other commitments. It's very difficult nowadays to convince the investors and other directors of such projects, which have a ROI not in terms of financial gains, but only in terms of welfare, health and happiness of the employees. The Shah family did that too, and last year a small groundbreaking ceremony was performed and I was invited for it. Within less than a year, I am privileged to be witnessing the completion of this project and beginning of a new era in the history of NQ and a fulfillment of a very cherished and noble dream of Mr. Mehul's family. I remember last year his dear mother, in spite of being very sick, she watched the entire this groundbreaking process online, and I am very sure this year she is blessing all of us from the heaven. I am told that along with the quality inputs, hygiene and taste, this has gone a lot of scientific studies, as Vikrant has already explained. A dietitian and nutritionist, Dr. Jain. That is the right way to go forward, and I am sure it will continuously undergo improvements and changes in pursuit of excellence and perfection. Let me once again congratulate the Shah family for this noble welfare activity and wish them all the success in this endeavor too.
मैं हमेशा उस मेहुल को ऐसा ही बोलता था कि फैक्ट्री में अर्निंग करना वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, लेकिन अपना स्टाफ जो है वो सब अच्छी तरह से रह सके, उसका फैमिली दे कैन एंजॉय, उसको लगे कि हम जॉब करते हैं लेकिन हम ऐसी कंपनी में करते हैं। और मैंने हमेशा उसको बताया कि जितना जो प्रोग्राम करो वो अप टू डेट कर लो, ज़रा भी इसमें कसर नहीं रखने का है। और अभी मैंने सुना, उसने बताया कि वो गेम्स के लिए, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए भी कुछ प्लानिंग कर रहा है। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि वो सब जो प्लान, जो आप जो सजेशन कोई किसी का होगा, और मैडम को भी बता दो, कोई पर सजेशन आपका होगा तो ही विल डेफिनेटली इम्प्लीमेंट।
घरान आनी बरें जेवण दिवपाची इच्छा आसा, वडिलांची इच्छा आसा, आनी आवयच्या नांवान आमी आतां हें करतात, तेंचे सगळे मन तन धन ते प्रोजेक्टा खातीर लावन हो प्रोजेक्ट आमकां जागो दिला आनी सांगलें की तुमी हेजी रचना करात। तेजे उपरांत डॉक्टर संगीता सर मेहुलच्या आनी आमच्यो खुबश्यो मिटींग जाल्यो, आनी ते मिटिंगेक डॉक्टर संगीतान आमकां सांगलें की भाजी जेन्ना फार्मांतल्यान येतली तेन्ना ती कशी भितर व्हरप, तेजें सॉर्टींग सगळें भायर काडप, ती निवळ करून मागीर ट्रेन घालून भितर व्हरून धुवन सारकें रॅकान कशी दवरप, तेजे उपरांत ते ट्रेनांतल्यान उदक कशें वयतलें, रोटी भाजतना थंय कितें काळजी घेवपाक जाय, थंय कशी निवळसाण दवरपाक जाय, तेजे उपरांत ते रोटी करतना जे कामगार आसात ते दोग जाण लागीं आसपाक जायना, तेंचे मदीं कितलें अंतर आसपाक जाय, तेजे उपरांत ग्राइंडींग सेक्शनाक कितें काळजी घेवपाक सेफ्टीची, तेजे उपरांत जे मेन कुकींग करता थंय आमी कितें काळजी घेवपाक जाय, स्लीप जावपाक जायना, उदक कशें वचप, हें सगळें तेणें आमकां बारीकसाणेन सांगलें। तेजे उपरांत जे गार्बेज आसा ती गार्बेजीक कसलो वास बी येवचे न्हू म्हणून एक सर्टन टेम्परेचरान आमी मेंटेन करता. भाजी बी आमी बरे तरेन फार्मान फ्रेश हाडून ती मेंटेन करून एक फाटले कांय दीस आमी ट्रायल चालू आशिल्ले आनी शेवटी आज हें स्वप्न साकार जाता. आज खुशेचो दीस. तेच भायर आमचे गोंयचे एक डिसिप्लीन अधिकारी जेंकां लोक एक वळखतात की स्ट्रिक्ट जे कॉम्पिटंट सारकी, जेणे आमकां डायरेक्टर ऑफ फूड एंड ड्रग्स मॅडम ज्योती सरदेसाय हेणें आमकां खूब सरकारी जे गायडलायन्स आसा गव्हर्मेंटाचे ते सगळे गायडलायन्स सेफ्टी फूड सेफ्टी बद्दल आमकां खूब तेणी मदत केली, सांगलें आनी ती सगळी काळजी घेवन शेवटी आमी हो प्रोजेक्ट आज रेडी करून समर्पित केला.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.